When I think about PowerPoint and how many features it has, there are a few things that I really wish people would know or be familiar with about the software. There's a tool which allows you to snap your objects on the screen so that they align to other objects. And just creating that kind of visual alignment of blocks of text or objects on your pages is a great way to make your slides look a lot more professional as opposed to things jumping all over the place as you move between slides or, even things being out of alignment on a single slide. And then another great feature that I think is underused in PowerPoint is the ability to rehearse your presentation when you're in slideshow mode. PowerPoint can actually allow you to record your own voiceover and embed it in your slides. That's a great asset for rehearsing, but it also is a great way to save your voiceover with your PowerPoint. So then you can actually send that PowerPoint to a colleague and your voiceover is actually embedded in the slides for them.